Hi, boys and girls. I have lots of things on the wall for math today. First, I thought we would review our touch math numbers because they will be helpful for when we need to do some challenging subtraction questions, especially if you're on IXL. Touch math is always helpful. All right, 1 is easy. 2 is 1, 2. 3 is 1, 2, 3. 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can touch the dots with me. Maybe if I go up close enough, you can touch the dots that I'm touching. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do that one again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 6 gets a little trickier because you have to do 2 touches. One for the inside dot and then another for the outside circle. So 6 goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Now 7 is the same as 6, except to make it be 7, you do one last touch up here. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. 8 goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it again a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and 9 is the same as 8, but one last touch up here. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do that one again for me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. And those are helpful again to do your subtraction questions. If you're using adding, of course, you're going to count forward on your touch math. If you're doing subtraction, you're going to count backwards on your touch math. Okay? Speaking of backwards, there's the number line I gave you in your envelope. Can you get that out? And let's you and I count backwards from 20 all the way to 0, because that's what subtraction is. It's counting backwards. Ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Good job. Let's do it again, and I'll say 20, you say 19. Ready? 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Blast off. Okay. When you go to do your math in your workbook today, you're going to start with a warm-up of some 10 takeaway questions. It says, cross off the counters to make different subtraction equations from 10. Record the equations. So every question starts with 10. Does that pattern look familiar? Like a 10 frame, 2 rows of 5. And then I actually wrote in what I want you to subtract. Then you cross that off. And then the answer would be what's left, right? Can you quickly tell? A row of 5 and 2 more makes 7. Okay, so you're going to finish that page, cross out the number that you're to take away, and then write the answer or the difference. Okay, now we're going to move on to some math stories. And I'll read the story together with you. Have you got that in your notebook? We went to the store and bought, O-U-G-H-T, hey, my pencil's broken, 14 vegetables. A-B-L-E says able. Vegetables. We went to the store and bought 14 vegetables. We used, the bumper word, isn't it? 9 for a salad. How many vegetables are left? Now, I made it super easy for you to organize your drawings because that's what you're supposed to do. You're to read and draw each subtraction story problem. Record a subtraction sentence and solve. The drawing shows me that you understand what it is that the story is asking you to do. So, what you're going to draw is what we bought at the store. We bought 14 vegetables, didn't we? And I put 10 frames because I thought to myself, that is the easiest way to organize the drawing. So 14 is going to be a 10 frame. I'll go back and color those in. Which is 10, right? 10 frame is 10. And then how many more do I need to get to 14? 4. So I'm going to draw in 4 more circles. There's my 14 vegetables. A 10 frame and 4 more. 10 plus 4. Now we're going to do the subtraction part. We used 9 for a salad. Since we used 9, are we going to draw 9 more dots on our 10 frames? No, we're going to cross 9 off to show that we used the dots. So let's start with the 4. Okay, that empties that 10 frame, doesn't it? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And whatever's left is how many vegetables that we didn't use. Or that answers the question, how many vegetables are left, right? How many are left? 5. So that's going to go after the equal sign. Just a second, boys and girls. Grab my marker. Okay, now here I need to make the question so that I end up with the answer 5. How many vegetables did I buy? 14. Take away, how many vegetables did I use? 9. That leaves 5 vegetables. Okay, let's do the next story. For tea time, we had 17 donuts on a plate. We ate 7 of them. How many donuts remain on the plate? So I need to draw 17 dots to show that I bought 17 donuts or that I had 17 donuts on a plate. So that's going to be a 10 frame, isn't it? Because I need at least 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many more do I need to draw so that I get to 17? I have 10. To get to 17, I need 7 more, don't I? Look what's in the ones place. That number 10 is super handy. Once you know how that works, it's very helpful. 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there were 17 donuts on the plate. We ate 7 of them. Hey, wait a minute. 5, 6, 7. I can just empty this 10 frame, can't I? And look how many are left. 17 take away 7 leaves 10. 17 take away 7. See the ones place? 7 in the ones place. Take away the 7 donuts that we ate, leaves 0. And then you still need that 1 in the tens place. Okay, now the rest I'm going to have you do. But what I'll do is I'll read the story and then you pause it. And then I'll read the next story for you, okay? So this story says, on the seashore, there are 11 sea stars. 4 get washed away. How many sea stars are left? So you're going to draw how many there were, and then you're going to cross off how many got washed away. So you can press the pause button and do that, and then come back and I'll read this story with you. Okay, are you back? The next story is the kids catch 16 ladybugs in their net. 4 ladybugs fly away. How many ladybugs are still caught? A-U-G-H-T says ought. Okay, so that's that story. So you can pause the video again. And then we'll do these 3. Ready? There are 15 cars. 7 drive away. How many are left? Okay, so I have to draw 15 cars. 5, 10, 15. That was handy. 3 groups of 5. 7 drive away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? 5, a row of 5, and then count on 6, 7, 8. How do I build the question? Start with how many cars there were, 15. Take away the 7 that drove away. Leaves 8. Next story, there are 13 airplanes. 6 fly away. How many remain? That just means how many are still there. So you can pause. And the last story is there are 18 boats. 11 float away. How many are left? Okay, enjoy doing those pages, boys and girls. Bye-bye.